Okay then. 16. Okay. Okay. Having so much fun right now. Bad apples, dude. Okay. What the fuck we are, bitch. Now we are bad apples. Apples up to the start. Bitch. With your fist barred or your hands high. And you know 15, man, I stay fucking high. This is high life and I am not no high time. I don't really give a fuck, me, I'm high all the fucking time. Now if you don't know me, I'm never running out of rhymes, cause I am the motherfucking beat machine. I mean 15 the machine, rates against the machine. And then I take all his parts and then I put them to me. And I'm feeling like a motherfucking transformer or something Optimus Prime, but call me something else. Now I be on some other shit, left field, and my mind's in the field, in my spine. So I am bigger than the field. You would get killed trying to get my money longer than baseball fields. I mean football fields, baseball. I got things that shoot size of baseballs. Pop. I don't really give a fuck when it pop. You a shit shirt pants, and I am gon' dance on your motherfucking cream roll. Snap and roll, kill Soldier Boy and then get the fucking snapping and rolling. Then I just going like the last track, dog. This shit is uncontrolling me. I am a bad apple, can you see? Now once I get it started, we gon' go from the ground up. Shouts out to Captain, shouts out to J Motto. You only die, that's the motto I follow. Now I don't know what anybody else fucking doing, but me, I'm trying to get my shit and fucking ruin this motherfucking game of these saturated fags coming through. I will have them in rags, and then we'll go from rags to rags, from bitches to drags, to motherfucking getting dragged in the fucking swamps. I am on, and I am never getting off. Getting on your head, and I am never getting off. Kinda like your hairline, and I'm feeling fine. Smoking on some pine, yeah, dude, I had you rewind. Just like some clip shit, I will fucking get this shit, and I be spitting sick shit. Can you see this? Now get your fucking glasses for this. Bad apples in the fucking building. We don't give a shit. We don't fucking give a shit.